In today's video, you will learn how to make a coarse salt air freshener to prevent your clothes from smelling like wardrobes. We are showing more and more tips to make your house clean and cozy. After all, who doesn't love a fragrant home? Sometimes, even if we take care of our clothes, they still smell like the wardrobe, or worse, they smell moldy. But did you know that you can make your house and clothes smell good without spending fortunes? So, in today's video, let's see how to make an air freshener with coarse salt and fabric softener. Are you interested? Write down the ingredients. 2 tablespoons coarse salt, 1 tablespoon fabric softener, container for air freshener or plastic container with lid. How to do it? Put the salt inside your container, then pour the fabric softener over it. Mix it and it is ready. Your DIY air freshener is ready. Easy and quick to do, isn't it? If you choose a plastic container, keep it closed. Punch some holes in the lid to let the perfume out. How to use it? Put your air freshener inside your wardrobe, drawers, or wherever you keep your favorite clothes. Change the air freshener every month. Also, since it is easy and cheap, you can make an air freshener for each drawer and wardrobe of your house. This way, all the clothes will smell good. What are you waiting for? Try it and tell us what you think in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.